Hello, this is the assignment 3 of nested loops. The Python code to the left has produced the window you see on the right of the screen. You will see the ball moving in a square kind of a path. At the same time, I have blocked some of the values of the variables on line 23, 24, 29, 30, 35, 36. And your task is to decide what those values should be so the ball will follow this squarish path. Observe the motion of the ball and please replay this as many times as you wish. The ball will start moving in a second. Here we go. And comes to a rest. Again, if I run this program, the ball will follow a squarish path and it will run to a resting point. Please try to find the values of the obstructed variable. That's it for the moment, and thank you.